Hello English learners. Today I am going to talk about the extempore topic. Every day I am just picking up one topic and I am speaking on the topic. Okay. I talk about the importance of teamwork, then power of positive thinking, and the influence of music on mood. And today we are going to talk about the challenges of online learning. Okay. Today I'm going to talk, and this is called the extempore. Extempore simply means you will be given one topic and you have to speak on the topic without thinking, without preparation for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or 3 minutes, 4 minutes, whatever the topic they are giving, and whatever the time they are giving, you have to just present your topic in that specific time. Okay. So today, suppose just we are practicing our spoken English, and every day I am just picking up one topic and I am speaking on the topics. Okay, so you can take also the examples and you can also make the video or speak by yourself. Then you are going to get lots of benefits. Okay, so today's topic, challenges of online learning. Okay, so yes. Today I'm going to talk about the challenges of online learning. So after the COVID-19, the online learning became a very popular in the society or in the world. Okay, most of the people just started joining the online classes and started learning, but lots of challenges and difficulties we are getting in online learning. The first challenge, which is lack of focus. Okay, if you are sitting in your home and in your bedroom and you are attending class, so there are lack of focus. How? Let's take some examples. I'm sitting there and I'm attending the class. There is a kitchen, lots of noises I am getting from the kitchen, and there is a family members, they are talking with each other, and also there are lots of people are coming and they are knocking the door. So all types of distractions are there, which I am not going to attend the class with very focus. Okay, so there is a one point which is lack of focus, which I can't get the 100%. Okay, this is the first issue which we are getting in online classes. And the second thing, like lack of interaction. I'm not going to interact. Okay, in offline classes, how much the teacher is going to focus on the student, and a student is going to listen him. In online classes, he is not going to just focus on the class, because there are lots of distractions in the mobile. He's getting lots of notifications from the social media applications, and there are TVs, there are laptops, there are mobile. In mobile, there is a class. So there are lots of things happening on the mobile, so we can't give the 100%. Okay, focus. And the third, the health issue. Health issue, how the health issue? Because if you are going to attend the classes for 3 hours, for 8 hours or 7 hours, so we are going to get the screen. We are going to see the screen for 7 or 8 hours continuously. It is going to affect our eyes. Okay, it is going to affect our health. So it is not good to attend the entire class on online. Okay, this is also a health issue. And the discipline, someone is not getting the timing, how on which time we have to attend the class, or what is the timing of the class. So all these things we are not getting properly on the online mode. Okay, and lots of issues are there, we are not going to get the knowledge, proper knowledge through online, we are getting in the class. Okay, lots of lack of connectivity. This is one more issue. Everywhere we are not getting the Wi-Fi. We have the internet, and internet connectivity is poor somewhere, so we are not getting the proper internet, so we are unable to speak or to listen the everything. Okay, so there are more challenges which we are facing on the online learning. Okay, it is good, but there is a second part which there are lots of challenges which we are facing in the online classes. Okay, so I hope you got some clarity, like how many challenges we are getting. Let me summarize the topic. Like first, we lack of focus, and the second, lack of connectivity, third, discipline, and lack of internet connections and discipline. All these things we are getting the challenges in the online learning. So thanks for today. I hope you got some knowledge. So just listen me and go and practice, like how I speak. Whatever I speak, you have to just go and search, like the challenges of online learning, and speak by yourself, like how you are going to speak. Okay, so thanks for today.